I've spent a while trying to clean myself up after all that C8 magic, but we did find the new Denali. 2021 Yukon Denali. We can't get the center console to work. We think the power has something to do with it, but the different dashboard configuration is nice, but we both did agree that we do prefer the lower trim level and or the Chevy version. A lot of it is very reminiscent of what you would already find with the updated tech. Seats still fold, super fancy. This one here, we did get the screens working. We did at one point. Nope. Screens back here are pretty cool. They're absolutely massive. Super disappointed couldn't get that center console to come back. But this is really what killed me on this Yukon. Look at the exhaust tips. Holy moly. Do they look familiar? That is, and I'd put some money on it. That would be the Camaro SS NPP exhaust tip. I'm wondering if they've got some dual mode motors or something in there. Oh, we got the screen working. So these things are pretty ridiculous. Massive, as you could imagine. No. Doesn't want to let me do anything, but you can plug in your media and watch movies and do all kinds of fun stuff. Really impressed. They've done a good job. They've really pulled their socks up on this one and tried to refine the features that everybody loves, and I think they've come a long ways. So I came down here to do a little bit of investigating on the tip action, hoping that it maybe had some dual mode valves, give you a little bit more of an aggressive look, but we were unable to find anything. It is just a massive muffler into a split rear exhaust, but they look amazing.